Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add code to your specific page header in Weebly. So let's start. So first option is when you're going to show off elements, you can just easily add a code here and edit HTML. But the second way is when you're going to click on pages here, and when you're going to click here on, I don't know, contact, and you're going to click here on SEO settings, you're going to scroll down and you're gonna see your header code and footer code that you can edit. So this is how you can do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.